Hi Ivy, it's Dave Franks. I got your email last night, and thank you for sending that, by the way. I have begun doing the test and replacements that you have asked me to do. The good news is that I did replace the cables, and that did resolve the issue with the error message coming up when I was trying to heat up the extruder. There was one cable, I don't know if you can see this or not. But the far left, there is a half the lead is missing. So anyway, I replaced that. This is the other cable. It didn't look bad, but I went ahead and replaced it anyway. And we'll just throw those in the trash can there. So I'm going to go ahead and start the printer up. And here we go. And it's on its side, so I apologize for that, but hopefully you can see extruder and the heater are default. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat up on the extruder up to the 210, and the bed will set for 60. That was just my multimeter. I gotta turn that back on. Alright, so it's starting to heat up. We don't have any error messages at this point. So I will go ahead and I'm going to start with getting the test points up here. You asked for these two and then these two. So I'm going to set this down. Apologize, I can't show both at the same time here. So I've got it set on volts right now, and it's set for auto. Let's see what we get here. We'll switch that. Positive goes on the other side. So as you can see, it's on the volts, but we're jumping all over the place, and the highest I've seen so far was 3 point something. And I'll go down to the other one. I reverse my leads on that one. It's showing 3 point something volts, but again, it's jumping all over. It's never really getting close to 24 at all. What else here? Oh, the ohms. Let me shut this off. The ohms, I chucked those. Actually, I'll just send you those instead of trying to get the video on that, but I'll show you the ohms. Here, I can do the bottom one here. I didn't know if you wanted ohms on this, but I think I got them anyway. Let's see. That's the first set at the top, and that's reading like 18 point something meg. Let me reverse my lead. Sometimes that makes a difference. All right, 11.19 meg ohms. If I go down to the other one, let's see what we get here. That's like 10 ohms, just regular ohms, no k ohms or meg ohms, just 10 ohms, which was close to what you had thought it would be. The fans, I'm not sure what you wanted, if you were wanting a voltage test, but the fans are working. Let me see if I can get into that fan on the volts here or not. It's a pretty small area there. Yeah, I can't get into it. It's too small with these leads. But anyway, I'll send you those numbers. I did get readings except for the fans. But the fans appear to be working. I have not plugged in the bottom panel fan, which I believe was one of the ones that you had asked about, but I'll do that before and include that result in the email as well. So thanks again for your time. Let me know where we should go. Thanks. Hi Ivy, it's Dave Franks again. Hey, I just did that video and just realized I didn't show you verify that it still was not coming up to temperature. So you can see here I went ahead and got the temperature set, extruder 210 and the bed at 60. So we're set on Celsius on our multimeter, and I'm going to go ahead and right now I'm just going to touch it to the heater block. Right up there. And it's slowing down here. I'll go ahead and do the nozzle here as well. So it's stopping at 147, 148. Okay, 149. It's going a little bit. It may get up to, was getting up to 153 before, but it varies. Alright, so it's about 160. I'll go ahead and do the nozzle as well, just so you can see I'm doing that too. So it's getting to 144, 145. 52. So about 151 on that one. I'm gonna let it cool down just a little bit. Oh, by the way, just so you can see that camera with the fan is spinning. So there's that one. Okay, so this bed is getting cooled down. As you can see, we're still set for 60 for the bed. And we'll go ahead and put this in the center of the bed. And we'll see what it does. So it looks like it's about 45. That's where it's topping out at. So again, it's not close to 60. So that's the same issue. So anyway, I just wanted to do that video as well. Thanks again. Bye.